Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Wednesday Wisdom. As we are all getting the results of the 10th and 12th class, why not discuss something which is very useful to understand? That is the difference between a degree and a diploma. And let's also observe in this video if diploma courses are really useful in India or not for your future career development. Okay, so first of all, both degree and diploma courses are types of recognition conferred on a person by the successful completion of an educational course. However, there are a lot of differences between the two and they are not interchangeable. So let us first understand the basic difference between a degree and a diploma. What is a degree? Degree is a course which generally lasts for 3 to 4 years and it gives an overall understanding of a particular subject. For example, when you study something called a BCom or a BBA, you will be studying for 3 years for courses like accountancy, business management, human resources, etc. Similarly, if you study BTech, it will be a 4-year course which will give you specialized knowledge about maths or physics or chemistry or automobiles, etc. Similarly, an MBBS will be 5.5 years long and it will give you knowledge related to medicine. The curriculum is designed in such a way that it provides an overview of many subjects other than the one that the student may be interested in. For example, in an engineering degree, courses for computer science, the first year focuses on subjects like physics, chemistry, electrical engineering, mechanics and engineering drawing apart from the coding languages like C and COBOL. Subsequent years have subjects like digital electronics and analog electronics. Typically, there is one subject that you major in. For instance, when I was doing my BBA, in the 3rd year of the college, I was supposed to choose a subject that was supposed to be my specialization, wherein I completed my marketing and entrepreneurship as a specialization course. Similarly, in any of the degree courses, when you come towards the end of your 3 or 4 years program, you will be able to choose a specialization course. Coming to the diploma, let's understand what a diploma is. As a basic difference, a diploma is a short-term course that may last for 1 or 2 years and it is not in-depth. It basically focuses on giving practical training to the students regarding any subject. So, the course is designed in such a way that the person gets the basic theoretical knowledge about the subject and apart from the extensive practical training needed in the job industry. So a lot of diploma courses, that is why, have on-the-job training and apprenticeships programs. They focus more on practical exams. For example, a diploma course in computer science will involve subjects centered on the programming languages and computer hardware only, as compared to the degree courses which we saw earlier in the example. The degree course taught a lot of other engineering related subjects as electives and they were not just focused on programming only. There are 2 options that you can follow after doing a diploma course. After a diploma, you can either join a degree course or look for jobs. For example, in universities such as Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, you can enroll in a BTech in computer science after you have completed your diploma course. In that case, you will be directly given admission to 2nd year. It is generally very difficult to get admitted to a higher degree only after a diploma course. In order to do so, you need to pursue a course for at least 1 or 2 more years after your diploma. So, in short, in a nutshell, let's just observe some of the basic differences between a degree and a diploma. So let us jump to the career prospects after doing a diploma course in India. If I give you an answer in a nutshell, it completely depends on what course you are looking for and what is your reason for doing a diploma course. For instance, there are a lot of students in India who cannot afford a full college education, but they definitely are looking for jobs. And when you are looking for jobs, some sort of a certification or some sort of a skill certificate will increase your chances of getting a job. So for such people, diploma courses are the best options. The diploma courses are generally short term, and that is why they provide direct job opportunities. The career opportunity depends on the course in India that you are opting for. Some courses, such as diploma in animation, will give you a job directly, but something like a diploma in engineering may require you to do a degree after completing your diploma. Hence, in a single line, it totally depends on the kind of job you are looking for, the kind of education you have had, and the motive behind doing a diploma. Basically, if you are looking for something which is short term, something which is just going to give you a certificate along with practical exposure, and something which is going to help you directly find a job, diploma is the best option. On the other hand, if you are looking for in-depth knowledge on a subject, you are looking to work in a multinational company, you are wanting to work not just in India but outside as well, or you are wanting to expand your scope of work, your network, then a degree education is the best option that you can go for. So in case of any queries, you can connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere, and on my email, of course. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and keep watching the Wednesday Wisdom series for further updates. Have a good day.